park that way?
Yeah, we're gonna move that BMW in a second. So
Oh.
if you could fit next to the white.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. To the KWB5, so you have pretty much like four-way adjustable suspensions, and it really cool. Also had a active lift, then not only in the front and the rear as well. So the whole car lit up.
Oh, really?
So when you get in and out of the driveway, and now the car drives amazing because of that. Obviously, the V10, it sounds crazy already. We normally like to drive this car, set it up, and we took this one on the track too.
Really?
Yeah, I took this one on the track.
Wow.
Did you change the suspension geometry, or
no? This is the way it is. It's just the shocks. Yeah, just the shocks. And also, what's cool about
If you can maintain it, it's a pretty reliable car, you say.
well, I mean, you know, just like any other car, just like all your Porsches, same thing.
That's
you
good
know,
to know.
proper maintenance, and it's good to go. I mean, tracking.
Because that Steve car here.
Yeah, Steve
Oh, you left it here?
But the engine also serviceable, but they prefer not to. Like PMA, they want you to send the motor out back to them whenever is for service. To just kind of see how much fuel that we use. So for a race car, it doesn't tell you your fuel level, but only tell you your fuel use. So what the computers say, we also like to pump it out and just kind of verify it and make sure it's correct. If it's not correct, there's something wrong with the system. And the brake, you know, like most cars have single master cylinder, master cylinder.
This door is so light, dude.
How light's the door?
It's very light. Probably like about 5 pounds. Oh.
so on race cars? On the motor, on the gearbox, do you have to service the gearbox?
Yeah. So the PDK is this doesn't run on a PDK, run on a PDK, but then have a different kind of gear stack.
That stuff is a pain to clean.
That's the goal.
But I think he's got full PPF.
But still, you want to clean it.
Or
off.
maybe not. Actually, you see that? He's only got the PPF here.
I think he has PPF
Underneath it.
The fender guard.
Yeah.
Still testing it based on 10 years ago on your first location, okay? Aguero.
Mason?
That's making sure you didn't want to ruin your shot.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Wonderful.
A bit wider. And it's a little bit higher, I think.
There's a purpose on that wing right there.
I mean, he's gonna go to check out the inside.
Okay. Okay. No, I'm gonna. Yeah.
Shop up to
He already pulled all the cars outside.
When I that car doesn't have like a DME.
probably going to be hitting like what, 102 dB?
Oh, probably, yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine.
$200. I mean, fucking $2 million now. Yeah.
Just in the PTO.
Yeah. Nathan, how's life?
I haven't killed myself yet, so it's
Oh, wait a minute. You live in Yeah. Where's that?
That was dope. Didn't want to open it up.
Yeah, it's we have like a family crest, so it's the lion with the star, and then
family crest too, dude. There was this dude in school who was part of the bike builders club. He had a family crest on the head tube always. I was like,
yeah, no, it's sick.
that's so cool.
Yeah,
Why
no,
do
we have like a
people
family. We have like a
just
family.
have
It's and also so the lion's supposed to be blue. It's like the blue lion and soul.
I mean, it doesn't too far different from the 911, to be honest.